Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Crack Concepts, and in today's video I will be sharing how you can use AI to write better and optimize SQL queries along with some samples and some prompts. So this video will be very helpful if you're someone who is simply putting your SQL query on ChatGPT or providing it to AI and asking it to optimize it. You're doing it wrong. You will of course get an optimized SQL query, but you can make mistakes out of it, like AI can make mistakes out of it. So there are certain things you should keep in mind before doing so, which is what I will be discussing in this video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Number one step is understand the SQL query yourself first. If you do not understand what the query is doing, ask AI to explain you the query. Understand all the joins, understand the filters, aggregations, everything. Understand it before optimizing the SQL query. It is very important for you to know what the query is doing in order to rectify what AI is providing is correct or not. So before optimizing, ensure you fully understand what the query is doing. Some sample prompts would be explain the SQL query step by step in simple terms, or explain it like I am a beginner. Can you simplify the logic of this query and explain it like I'm a beginner? You can add terms like explain it like a beginner, or in simple words, or in layman's terms. You can add these in your prompts for AI to explain it to you in the simplest words. What is the purpose of each join and filter in this query? All of these are some sample prompts that you can use in order to understand the query better. Number two, analyze query execution plans. So when you use the explain command on your database, you will get an execution plan, which you can ask AI to help you understand. Execution plans reveal how the database executes your query and where it slows down. So what you have to do, identify full table scans, expensive joins, etc. You need to detect bottlenecks. So some sample prompts would be, here is my SQL execution plan. Can you identify performance bottlenecks? Which part of this execution plan is most expensive and why? Or how can I improve it? Can you suggest any improvements? Explain this execution plan in simple language and suggest improvements. How can I reduce the cost of this query based on the execution plan? So making use of the execution plan is one of the best ways to help optimize your SQL queries. Ask for index suggestions. We all know that indexing is the key to having optimized SQL queries. Indexes help speed up queries but must be used wisely. So we can ask AI to help suggest indexes or composite indexes or anything of that sort. What to do? Suggest indexes on frequently filtered or joined columns, which you can ask AI. Avoid over indexing. Some sample prompts. Suggest indexes for this SQL query to improve performance. Which columns should I index based on this query and why? Would a composite index help here? If yes, suggest one. Are there any unnecessary indexings that could slow down writes? I have an entire video on indexes and I will make sure to link it in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Number 4. Ask AI to optimize the query. Let AI rewrite the query for better performance. What to do? Remove inefficiencies, improve structure. Some sample prompts would be optimize the SQL query for better performance without changing the output. Rewrite this query to make it more efficient. Can you reduce the complexity of this query? Make this query faster for large data sets. These are some of the prompts that you can use to optimize your query. Number 5. Generate alternative query structures and compare. You can ask AI to create different queries and you can try those queries and see which one works better for you. Different query styles can have different performance impacts based on your usage. What to do? Compare approaches like CTEs versus subqueries, joins versus exists. Some sample prompts would be provide alternative ways to write this SQL query. Compare using joins versus exists for this query. Rewrite this using a CTE and explain if it's better. You can ask AI to rewrite your query using CTE and avoid subqueries. Which version of this query is more efficient and why? Number 6, never trust AI output completely. Cross-check it. This is the most important tip. Always validate AI suggestions. test with real data, validate results and performance. It has happened so many times initially when I used to use AI to optimize my query. It would make mistakes and it would not match, the numbers wouldn't match, the output wouldn't match. So do the due diligence. Sample prompts: what edge cases could break this query? Is this optimized query logically equivalent to the original? How can I test this query to ensure correctness? Are there any risk or trade-offs in this optimization? You can ask AI to suggest you as to how you can test your data. Make sure whatever output AI is generating, it matches with the original query. Make sure that you are checking that. Make sure you're running both the queries and seeing the output and comparing the difference between the two. Number 7, refactor queries with AI. Make queries cleaner and more maintainable. It will improve readability. Modelize using CTs. You can ask AI to format your query so that it is easier for you to understand. Sample prompts would be: refactor the SQL query to improve readability and structure, break this query into smaller logical parts using CTs, improve naming convention in this query. A lot of times we use some aliases that are not relevant to the table at all. So you can ask AI to help you rename it or to find such aliases. Make this query easier to maintain for a team. These are some of the prompts that you can use. Number 8, use AI to add comments. A lot of times we forget to add comments on our SQL queries, and having comments on SQL queries is very important because when someone else opens your query, it will become easier for them to understand what you have done. So good documentation makes SQL easier to understand and debug. What to do: add inline comments, explain complex logic. Sample prompts would be: add detailed comments to the SQL query explaining each step. Document the business logic behind this query. Explain this query with inline comments for future developers. Add comments focusing on joins and calculations. Again, when you ask AI to add comments, make sure you run the query again and compare the output, because a lot of times when AI generates an output, sometimes it misses some join here and there or something of that sort. So make sure you are checking and validating the query that AI is generating for you. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you all did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.